Well, when my secondary school, I was it's 15 years ago. I was live Kustia, which is my own parent. My school, namely Mohammadpur Abu Talib Girls High School, which is located Kustia Koksha, under Khulna Division.
Okay. What was the interesting thing in your school?
Well, yeah, a lot of memorable incident at my school when I was passing my school period, such as HSC candidate. For an example, a friend, my childhood period, and a lot of communicate people, lot of lovely incident.
Okay. Tell me about anything you didn't like at your school.
Indeed. Actually, to be sophisticated, when I was a student of HSC candidate, that the period my school playground, it was not so good, such a tiny place. So I think that this will be development is required. If development, it will be fine.
Okay. How do you think your school could be improved?
Well, it's a development sector or innovative sector, like playground, female powder room, and community room, additionally meeting room or conference room.